Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
So, today we are going to do an introduction and conversation about technology. Before that, we have a guest, a new friend here. Hey, can you do introduction?
My name is Ahmad Sabir Sikri.
Yes. And then,
And then
how old are you?
all
Yes, old. Old,
15.
15. Uh,
And you?
I'm 15 and 29 July 2009. That is the year I was born. When you born? When?
21 April.
Okay. Let's be serious. I don't know why I'm laughing. So here's my friend Muhammad Sabili. We are going to do a conversation here. So we're going to start by asking the important things. That is hobbies. What is your hobby, Sabili?
My hobby playing football and playing game.
Yes, I like also to play game.
And you?
I play game too. What is your favorite game?
Mobile Legends is
Ah,
good.
same. But I'm a noob. Okay, so now we're going to get into the main topic, which is about the technology in the digital era. So now I'm going to be asked by Sabili here about technologies. So Sabili, you have question?
Yes.
Yes. So there are many questions that Sabili will ask to me and I will answer. So the main point it's about technology. So Sabili, do you have any question?
What do you think of the technology and think at a time like this?
So technology, what do I think about technology, about my POV? So technology is a game changer. It changed everything. It changed, yeah, literally everything from the environment, from features, from innovations, creativities, humans' work, and many more. So today's era, we are now, me and Sabili, we are inside Idean Boarding School, which is a technology school. Yes. We learn what, Sabili? UI UX, right?
Yes. UI UX.
Today we learn about what UI UX.
UI UX.
Tokopedia.
Yes, it's Tokopedia, Shopee.
Yes, so before we learn about making UI UX e-commerce, and yeah, those things are called technologies. They change. Technology is not only about new innovations like UI UX, software developer, and network engineer, but it's also about innovations like VR. You know VR?
Yes, Vision Pro.
Yeah, Apple Vision Pro, and maybe AR, augmented reality, which I don't know what's the meaning actually. And the important thing is AI. You know AI?
Yes,
AI is like,
AI is so good.
yeah, so good. ChatGPT. We
Yes,
we UI UX designers usually find inspiration from ChatGPT for find description, find ideas over there because AI is power. Yes.
yes,
So what about robots, Sabili? You know robot? Gundam robot.
yes, yes.
Yes. So
I like Gundam.
Gundam maybe can be a real robot technology if there is a creator, or maybe it's already created. We don't know. And what else about technology? Oh yeah, AI can also be dangerous. You know how dangerous AI is?
Yes,
It's like so dangerous. For example, AI that so the AI take picture and then the picture bad picture give bad picture like picture when you know what it is. So yeah, make sure to use AI wisely. Okay, Sabili.
Yes.
So thank you very much for watching. Salam.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you.